If you already have solar, what does Powerwall actually change? Solar makes power in the day. Without a battery, you use some and you usually export the rest. A Tesla Powerwall stores that extra solar so you can use it later. After sunset, early morning, generally when grid prices are higher. The real benefit is control. More of your own energy, less grid reliance. If your system is designed for it, Powerwall can also provide backup during power outages. From an installer's perspective, Powerwall is one of the most refined and reliable home battery systems available. And the Tesla app makes energy behaviour easy for homeowners to understand. In the next video, we'll explain how savings really work. But if you want a quick answer today, send us your bill and we'll tell you if Powerwall is a good fit for your home.